So today's application is for anyone that wants to glue down their wig but also protect their natural hairline. I have some tips I'm going to share, but however, this is everything that I will be using for today's video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notifications from my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And let's jump right on in, starting with this wig. This is a curly wig we are using today. It does have the adjustable straps and also combs. The knots are also pre-bleached on this wig, so I have not washed it, so I'm going to apply it straight out the box. So as you can see, the curls are really defined. The hairline looks really good. The lace color is a light brown. Alright, so let's begin. Today I am trying out the lace tint, and this is the Eben, I think that's how you pronounce it, New York tinted lace, and this one is in light brown. Now I wanted to try this out because a lot of times when you bleach the knots you still can see them, or you just want that lace to match your skin. I would recommend being very light-handed if you have a light scalp, because the more you spray the darker it gets, so I end up needing to adjust it. Later on in the video you'll see that. Let's move into the hairline. If you are looking to protect your edges, this wig band may help out with that. I found this band when I was at my local hair store, and basically it's a thin elastic that is not thick at all. It's very stretchy and the material is really thin, and as you can see it comes in a nude color. It does also come in black, but for this application you definitely want a color that is light and also a band that is going to be comfortable. The fantastic thing about this color is that you can change it if you need to just by using the lace tint. In this case I'm going to tint it the same color as I did my lace so that it can blend evenly with my forehead, because this is going to act as my hairline when I apply my wig. So now that I have it on, and of course it's very self-explanatory on how you apply it, just like a headband. Once it's in a position to cover my hairline, I am now going to take the Got2b gel and apply it to my forehead and also the band. Now this step is optional. This band will not move, and if you are using wig glue, you can apply the wig glue. I'm also going to apply a little bit more of that tint, and then I'm going to take the Got2b glue spray, which I'm using to glue down my wig today, and spray it right on that band in my forehead and then press. Now if you were using wig glue, you would place that wig glue around that band. If you have a lot of sideburn area, this may not cover it. You may want to do some alterations to that area to make it cover the sideburns. Now, a few things you may want to know about the lace tint. Sometimes those lace tints can be a bit orange for my complexion, and as you can see, even though it blends that lace and also that wig band really well, I definitely am going to go back and add some touches you'll see later on in the video to make it blend even better with my complexion. Another thing about the wig band is sometimes around the hairline, depending on the shape of the hairline of your wig and what you need cover on your edges, you may need to go and just cut off a little bit around the edge of that band to shape out the wig hairline so it won't hang outside of the wig or anything like that. However, it does work to protect your edges if you want to glue down your wig and keep your edges underneath the wig protected. So when it comes to curly hair, I definitely keep a routine because curls need more moisture. I did a video on my favorite products I love to wash my wigs with. I will pop it out right here to you all. I am trying out some new products in today's video, and these are more like styling products, but I will not show them in today's video because I will be sharing them later on this week in an upcoming video. Because these products seem to be really good, and you know, when it comes to curly hair, it's hard to find styling products that are not expensive that can tame those curls, because I don't think I really ever have shared products that I use to style except for maybe one or two, and these were really good. It smells so good. So I'm just defining the curls on this wig. I have not washed it yet. I'm just using some water to kind of break away that uniform curl pattern and then adding these products. Okay, so I have one more step, and that is to get rid of the orangey tone in this scalp area, because I do notice that lace tint was a bit too dark a little bit for my complexion. So since I have the hair nice and defined, the last step is to get rid of that brassiness in the scalp and around the hairline. So I'm taking my Profusion Paradise palette, and I love this color right here because it matches my scalp and forehead really well. It tones out that orangey tone. So yeah, that's what you can do if you ever need to just touch up any spots on the wig to make it blend with your skin complexion a little bit more. Now, I do notice that everything looks so good. You cannot even tell that I have on that wig band under this wig at all. That's how undetectable that wig band is. Now, I know you may be like, okay, well, why don't you just use a wig cap? Well, wig caps roll back if you cut off that thick elastic, and the thick elastic around them are too thick. This is actually perfect. Like, my edges are laid. It just look like my natural edges, and there's no visibility around that hairline to indicate that band. So I will put everything below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you back in my next video, my precious squad.